Hi guys, today we're out here in Pimville, Soweto. We're here to see the owner of a salon here by the name of Bianca. And I'm here with the Portia M Foundation team. We're just here to try and assist Bianca and basically just try and help her to get back on her feet. So thank you so much, Bianca, for having us today. Can you tell us more about your business lakho? You know, abantu bazi about the business lab.
Okay, in business lab, it's House of Braiding. We're braiding only your straight back, straight up braids. Yeah, that's what we do. It's based here in Pimville.
Okay, so Bianca, it's been a really tough couple of weeks. I know a lot of businesses have been affected, and how has this whole thing affected you and your business?
Okay, I started off well, but the looting here in is always. But I ended up posting his home as a salon when it was broken, and a lot of people helped me, and I got money and a lot of stuff.
Wow, really devastating, but I'm just happy that that's when you know that you've got a good community and people are coming around and helping out. I just want to say that njengoba bengisho ngilana team Portia M Foundation, we've got amazing things for you. Esizokunikeza zona just so ukuthi nabo bazama ukusiza ukuthi ubuyele futhi ukwazi ukuqhubeka ikhampani yakho. And siyabonga futhi kakhulu because umsebenzi oyenzayo emphakathini umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu, and we really want to wish you all the best, and we hope ukuthi business lakho lizoqhubeka likhula lokhulu. So we've got Lama products abuya Portia M, 2 big boxes ezingaphakathi kwesalon lakho uzokwazi ukuthi ukwazi nawe ukuthi uzithengisele ama products and raise funds so that ukwazi ukuqhubeka nesalon lakho.
I really like to say thank you so much, guys. I'll stop using my personal phone and I can have a tablet and be able to do my bookings, and there was no one using it because I didn't have enough staff. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much once again, and happy Women's Month.
Happy Women's Month to you too, sister.